Hi, and welcome to this quick overview of the Adobe Stock Enhancements. Adobe Stock was launched in 2015 as a stock image library and has quickly made a big splash with their collection of over 125 million assets. There's a lot of competition between the online stock footage libraries, and prices can vary, but I was really thrilled with some of the enhancements that Adobe made to Stock in their most recent update. For example, the new search feature named Adobe Sensei has made finding assets incredibly fast and very specific. Say there's a look you'd like to mimic or something that inspires you for your project. The search allows you to add a reference image and can then deliver results based on similarities such as color, content, and composition. These are options found under the Find Similar Controls preference. I found this option really helpful as clients have often provided reference images to me that weren't licensed. This search feature has allowed me to quickly find something based off of their ideas. One of the other cool search features I found helpful was the option to choose a stock asset that's framed for copy. Using the copy space option under the search filters, you can have the search pull results of assets that have compositions that are ready to use for inserting copy and text. For now, the search filter only applies for image assets, but since the image resolution is usually much higher than the video settings, I can quickly add some animation to the photo to give it movement. This next update I'll discuss is really impressive for anyone who uses a lot of video statistics or data-driven graphics in their projects. With the use of motion graphic templates in Premiere, users can create stunning animated graphics based on custom CSV files. These are drag and drop features that will turn your data into animated infographics. Adobe Stock powers the search for these templates and makes it easy to use them from right within Premiere. The library of stock has continued to grow with the partnerships of Pond5 and GoPro. Users can now browse categorized libraries like the GoPro one that will only show you that particular style of stock video. It's really a nice way to narrow down the results and find something that fits your project. Finally, the integration with Premiere has been a big time saver when working on video projects. Using the library panel, you can quickly search, browse, and license a video clip within seconds. I really am a big fan of Adobe Stock and highly encourage you to check it out. The pricing is right in line with many of the other stock footage libraries, but the efficiency and integrations with Premiere make this my go-to choice with stock footage. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other tutorials here on Streaming Media Producer.